today we're doing this easy natural makeup tutorial meant to look like you're not wearing makeup at all. I started with clean, moisturized skin, and the first thing I'm grabbing is a primer that works for my skin. This is Smashbox Oil and Shine Control Primer because I have an oily skin type, and I'm just applying that all over my face with my fingers. Now I'm grabbing a BB cream that also works for my skin. This is Garnier Skin Renew BB cream for oily and combination skin, and I'm applying it with a damp sponge all over my face to help blur my pores and even out my skin tone. Be sure to blend it into your hairline and down your neck a little bit. Now I'm grabbing some eyebrow powder that matches my hair and an angled brush, and I'm brushing all my brow hairs up first. Then filling in my whole brow with the powder. If you're looking for more detailed instructions or different techniques on eyebrow makeup, check out my eyebrow makeup tutorials. I will link them down below, and while you're there, please consider subscribing. So here's one brow done, and then I did the other one exactly the same way. Now I'm grabbing a concealer that matches my skin color. This is the Soft Matte Concealer from Nars, and I'm applying this with a flat brush and using it to cover any darkness or blue tones under my eyes. Then I'm just covering any acne or scars that I can see through the BB cream. Now I'm grabbing a concealer that's slightly lighter than my skin color. This is Smashbox Studio Skin Concealer. And this is optional, but I'm going to use this to highlight a few places on my face. First, I brighten my under eye. The inner corner of my eye, and just under my eyebrows on the brow bone. Then I added some concealer beside my nostrils where I have some darkness. A little bit down the center of my nose, and on my forehead between my eyebrows. Now I'm grabbing a setting powder. This is Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder, and I'm applying it all over my face with the same sponge I used earlier. Now I'm grabbing an eyebrow gel. This is Benefit's 24-Hour Brow Setter, and I'm just using this to brush my eyebrow hairs up and into place. Now I'm grabbing a bronzer. This is Take Home the Bronze from the Balm, and I'm going to do a little bit of contouring. This is also optional, but what I did was suck in my cheeks and apply the bronzer just under my cheekbones where the natural shadow is. Then I added a little under my jawline. And on the sides of my forehead. Then I took a small flat brush and added some bronzer in 2 lines down the sides of my nose fairly close together, and also under the tip of my nose. Now I'm grabbing some light blush. This is It's Not Me, It's My Sign by Space Gaze Cosmetics, and I just applied this on the apples of my cheeks, blending it back into the contour, and then a little bit on my chin, and under the tip of my nose. Then I grabbed some mascara. This is Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm just applying 1 coat to my top lashes and a tiny bit to my bottom lashes. Then I grabbed a tissue and wiped away any foundation or concealer on my lips. Now I'm grabbing a lip plumping gloss. This is Too Faced Lip Injections, and I'm just applying a little bit to my lips. Then I waited for my mascara to dry, and then took a spoolie and just flaked off any mascara that I got on my skin. Now I'm grabbing my eyelash curler and just curling my lashes. And that's the whole look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, or if you have any questions, be sure to let me know. And if you're looking for more content, check out my other social media, all at Anorthidol. You can subscribe to this channel by clicking here, or watch another video right over here. Thanks for watching.